Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to customize the action button on your iPhone. Without wasting time, let's get started. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and select the action buttons. It randomly goes hard with the oddly mesmerizing animations. There are 9 different actions available. You will see an image of the side of the iPhone that appears with icons that represent the actions you assign to the action button. Swipe to the action and choose an action you want to use. By default, the name appears below the dots. Select the action or button you want to customize and adjust its settings as desired. The first in default mode is silent mode. You can put the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max in silent mode by swiping to the silent mode. It will help you to switch between silent and ring for calls and alerts. Check top video card to learn 3-way switch between silent and ring mode on iPhone. The second mode is the focus mode. You can turn focus to silence notifications and filter out distractions. By default, it is selected to do not disturb. Tap on it to customize the other focus mode. The third mode is a camera mode. You can program the action button to open the camera. By default, the camera mode is set to take a quick picture. You can tap on photo to selfie, video, portrait, or portrait selfie. In this way, you can use the action button as a shutter. The fourth mode is a torch mode. You can turn on extra light when you need it. The fifth mode is voice memos. It helps to record personal notes, musical ideas, and more. The sixth mode is a magnifier. You can activate the Magnifier app to turn your iPhone into a magnifying glass to zoom in on and detect objects near you. The seventh mode is shortcuts. From here, you can open an app or run your favorite shortcut, such as sending messages, controlling smart home devices, or playing a playlist. The eighth mode is accessibility, where you can quickly access different vision settings. Keep in mind that if you want to use the shortcuts and accessibility shortcuts, tap the blue button below the action and select a particular option. Otherwise, the action button does nothing. The last option is no action. When you program the action button to no action mode, it will do nothing. Even it will never respond to switch between silent and ring mode on your iPhone. So, this is how to customize the action button. Write what you feel about using the action button in the comments section. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.